Engineering at ATU Sligo offers a wide range of programs for students to come in and study engineering. So the first one is that we've got general engineering at both level 7 and level 8. And in that way you don't have to make your choice straight away. You can come in, experience all the different fields of engineering and then make your choice. And out of that choice you can choose civil engineering, you can choose mechanical engineering, or you can choose mechatronics or robotics and automation. When you come in to study engineering in your first year, we don't assume that you really know anything about engineering or about physics or maths. We start off at a very basic level. So engineering really is about the application of maths and science and technology to solve everyday problems. In engineering there's a good balance of theory and practice, and it's something that we pride ourselves in, especially in Sligo, because we do find that students coming maybe from secondary school that they prefer that hands-on approach. We do 2 hours of theory and then you do 2 hours of practicals that complement that as well, where you get the chance to really use the theory and see it in practice. For general engineering, when we come in, we start off at projects that you do in first year, which is a good spectrum of projects from civil to mechanical to mechatronic and robotics. As you choose your field, in second year you get to do many little projects in your chosen field. And then in your third year, if you're doing the level 7, or fourth year when you're doing the level 8, you actually get a chance to really do some industrial based projects at a more advanced level in your chosen field. So engineering has lots of career opportunities. If you have a degree in engineering of any kind, really it's a passport into a job, and it's a passport to go anywhere in the world. It's really for those students that really have an interest in maths and physics and more that inquiring mind, where can I use this to solve problems?
I have the privilege of lecturing the first years as they come in the door in the first semester in Introduction to Programming, where they get to learn how to program a microcontroller. So we take it from the start that they've never programmed before, because obviously you've got different levels of ability, and then they take that programming, and in another subject, Introduction to Engineering, they all work together on a project where they're programming to develop a product really. They're not just learn and program with me, they're taking it then into the practical element of seeing what they can actually do with that programming and where it can go. From the minute they walk through the door, they're starting. Obviously there's a little bit of front-loaded theory that they may have to learn, and we're aware of that. We're aware of what they're going to be doing. The lecturers on the programme work together quite closely, so they're aware of what the needs are of the students. The lecturers in ATU do realise that we're not just teaching students, we're actually teaching the future engineer that's going to deliver the sustainable and inclusive environment that we need in the future.